Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the LG ESS Home 8, a powerful energy storage solution that's making waves in the home battery market. The LG ESS Home 8 isn't just your average home battery. It's packed with features designed to enhance your energy independence and efficiency. Let's start with capacity. The LG ESS Home 8 boasts a substantial 14.4 kilowatt-hours of usable energy storage, perfect for households looking to minimize reliance on the grid. Performance-wise, it's equipped with a robust inverter capable of delivering up to 7.5 kilowatts of continuous power output when discharging, ensuring you can run multiple appliances simultaneously during outages. Efficiency matters, and the LG ESS Home 8 holds its ground with a round-trip efficiency of 90%. This means minimal energy loss during charge and discharge cycles, optimizing your electricity usage. Installation flexibility is key. Whether you have existing solar panels or not, the LG ESS Home 8 can be seamlessly integrated into your home's energy ecosystem. It supports both AC and DC coupling, offering versatility to fit various setups. What about smart capabilities? The LG Think app allows you to monitor energy consumption in real time, switch between operating modes, like time of use and PV self-consumption, and even integrate with other LG appliances for a cohesive smart home experience. With a standard 10-year warranty and reliable customer support options, including a 24/7 live chat feature, LG ensures peace of mind when investing in the ESS Home 8. Experts highlight its competitive edge in the market, citing its strong build quality and LG's reputation for innovation in electronics. In conclusion, the LG ESS Home 8 stands tall with its impressive storage capacity, efficient performance, and seamless integration into smart home setups. While it may lack some modular options, its overall reliability and robust features make it a solid choice for homeowners serious about energy independence. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.